Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting an update now. First, make sure the Series S is connected to steady power and a reliable network. Wired Ethernet is preferred for speed. Sign into your Xbox profile, confirm you have enough free storage, and close active downloads that could interfere. Once done, navigate to Settings, choose System, then Updates. Initiate the available console update immediately so downloading begins. You do this to reduce the chance of interruption and to let the console manage files before installation. You'll see the update download percentage and ETA. Monitor that to know how long it will take. If downloads stall or are slow, pause other background downloads and streaming on the network. This frees bandwidth and speeds the update. If you want extra reliability, switch to wired Ethernet now. It reduces packet loss and interruptions. For stubborn failures, prepare a USB update by downloading the update file on a PC and following Microsoft's offline steps. Use that only when the network method won't complete. You must let the console restart and install updates without interruption. Do not unplug or force shutdown during installation because that risks corruption. After it finishes, sign back in and check settings System Console Info to confirm the version. Make sure games and apps resume normally and check profiles and system updates for additional patches. If the update fails, try a full power cycle. Hold the power button 10 seconds, then attempt the update again. If that still fails, prepare USB recovery and follow offline recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.